Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Logan Races MX, and today I'm going to be showing you what's inside my 2021 dirt bike gear bags. Alright, so first I run Thor boots, red and black. For goggles, I run the 100% pull string Teros. And then I run the tinted red 100% goggles. For my pant and jerseys, I run the Thor red and white. For my chest plate, I run the Thor normal chest plate. For my helmet, I run the HJC red, white, and black helmet. I run a couple of 100% Factory FX and a Honda sticker on it. I use for my knee pads, Alpine Stars. For my gloves, I run the Thor red and whites and the 100% black and reds. So that's what's in my 2021 dirt bike gear bag. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.